Huawei Mate 80RS Ultimate Design, a phone with 20 gigabytes of RAM and 1 terabyte of storage. Have you ever seen that? Huawei Mate 80 Pro Max. Let's unbox them together. Ha! This is a transparent hard protective case, 100W USB-C port, a very mini charging brick. Let's look at the Mate 80 Pro Max first. I know what you guys want to see, the Kirin 9030 Pro. I also know what else you want to see, the processor for the Ultimate Design. It's also the Kirin 9030 Pro. Okay, so now, snap. Wow. Friends, do you know what 5A means? It's back. It's all back. So how does everyone feel about the double ring design this time? Does it look good? At least I feel that if you removed the bottom ring, it would look pretty plain. As it is now, it further increases recognizability. At the same time, the function of this ring is wireless charging, though it's not magnetic charging. The middle frame and the back cover are both metal. The middle frame has a high gloss finish. There's a small hole here on the top of the middle frame, right? Its function is to optimize noise reduction during calls. The surface of the back cover features a light painted micro texture. It sounds roughly like this when you touch it, just a little detail there. Everyone, remember to buy 2 Mate 80 series phones, 1 Pro Max and 1 Ultimate Design. Then open the telephoto macro mode on the Ultimate Design. Look closely at the back cover of your Pro Max. Let me look for it. Not here. Oh, I found it. Look, right here at the top of the camera module, it says MATE, 4 letters. You can all try it out. Every unit is different. And this color is called Splendid Gold. It's a relatively pale gold, and the all-metal body feels very premium. On the front, oh, these bezels are very narrow, and it has 3D structured light. It's a 2.5D flat screen. The body width is about this much. Because it uses a straight-edge middle frame, it looks slightly narrower visually. What is a Linglong screen? It's a dual-layer OLED. Next up, the Mate 80RS Ultimate Design. Let's unbox it. Wow, it says Ultimate Design right here, and there's also a protruding 3D emblem of the Ultimate Design logo. This is the standard equipment for the Ultimate Design. It's the same 100W USB-C port, a very mini charging brick, but it's black. The original car charger has been replaced with this one. It's 100W. This is a USB-A port, this is a USB-C port, and there's another USB-C port down here. Wow, this is the first time I've seen this charging adapter, and it has foldable prongs. This is so practical. It's more useful than a car charger since cars have wireless charging nowadays. And there are also 2 data cables included. Hey, this is a purple protective case with a vegan leather exterior. That implies my phone is purple. Oh, sure enough, look, it really is purple. Power on. Oh, scan code to add eSIM. My goodness. So you can scan a code or you can enter an activation code. That's the process for adding an eSIM. So the Ultimate Design model supports eSIM. Let me take a look. Oh, I get it. First off, its physical card slot supports 2 SIM cards. That means it can support 2 physical cards simultaneously or 1 physical card and 1 eSIM. Oh, I got it. This color is called Reserved Purple, and it matches my purple gold watch perfectly. The back cover features 5D Kunlun glass, and the middle frame is a basalt body made of high-gloss titanium. It has 20 gigabytes of RAM. Storage is 1 terabyte. My God, that's too powerful. Have you ever seen a phone like this? Both the Mate 80 Pro Max and the Ultimate Design feature the 2nd generation Red Maple original color system with dual periscope telephoto lenses at 4 and 6.2x zoom. However, in the viewfinder interface, the default zoom levels are 1, 2, 4, and 10x. If you tap once while on the 4x zoom, it switches to 6.2x. As for Harmony OS 6, I feel the current adaptation rate of the Harmony ecosystem has already exceeded 95%. There are some exclusive apps, and for some niche apps, you can use Droidtong to download them. So I think using this as a daily driver is no problem at all. Let me use these 2 phones for a couple more days, and I will share more detailed content in a follow-up in-depth video.